Hi guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Sab. Today I made a delicious banana cream pudding. Such a classic southern recipe. It's kind of a throw it all in one dish, and it's super easy to make. It's a crowd pleaser. When serving, you could top it up with some good old whipped cream. Don't you agree? Whipped cream makes everything better. Let me know in the comment section below. And when you put your spoon through those layers, you see everything, and it is so delicious. For the ingredients, you'll need some good old wafers. It doesn't matter if it's broken up. This is homemade. We want it to look authentic, like we made it, right? Unless you want to look fancy, then go for the nice circly ones. I used 3 bananas for now, but in total, in making this recipe, I used 5. And then I used Cool Whip. Make sure the Cool Whip is room temperature Cool Whip. And then I used 8 cups of milk, and then I used whipped cream, of course, for the topping when serving. And I used 3 packets of Jello. I used 2 vanilla and 1 banana cream, but you can go and use whatever flavor you like. Any dish to layer it in. You can use a trifle dish, you can use separate dishes. Now, to get started, first we want to make the 5-minute pudding. Throw in your packets of pudding. Add in your 8 cups of milk. Make sure your milk is cold. And then I whisked this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Yes, your arm will hurt. If you have an electric mixer, great. But this set pretty quickly. It thickened up really nice, as you see. As you can see, it's getting thicker and thicker, and my poor hands are getting tired and tired, but the dessert was worth it. And now I just went in with a little spatula to clean out the edges, make sure I don't have any lumps or anything in there, and I put this aside for about 10 minutes, and you'll see that the Jello starts to harden, and it will be the right consistency. And then after that, I went ahead and I started cutting my bananas into coin slices. You can do these as thick or as thin as you'd like. And for now, I used 3 bananas, and if I did need more, I went ahead and I did cut up 2 more because we don't want it to brown. So then you see here my pudding has thickened up really nice. Oh, that looks so good. It was so delicious. Then you get your Pyrex dish or whatever dish you want to use. Layer the wafers, layer a banana on top of each wafer, then put in the pudding. You want to really spread it on there gently. Try not to move the wafers or the banana. And then get your room temperature Cool Whip. This is important, so you can easily spread it around on top. Just do a thin layer of that. Clean the edges as you go. And then to make the cookies look nice, to show on the edge, I went ahead and layered some around the edge, and then do the same process all over again. Wafers, banana, pudding, whipped cream, wafers, banana, pudding, whipped cream, until you get to the very, very top. And so this is my final layer. Make sure you have it all smooth. And then I went ahead and I put a few cookies, and then I crumpled up some cookies and just sprinkled it all around the top, cleaned the edges. And then you're gonna let this chill in the fridge for about 4 hours to overnight. And voila, it's ready. You can serve it with some whipped cream on top. It was so fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed me making this. I enjoyed making this for you guys. I hope you guys find it easy. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, tap the bell for future notifications, give my video a thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!